What is up, guys? Sabotage Fun is back, and yeah, playing White Noise. You may not hear the sound. Only reason being is I got my headset plugged in. Too bad I didn't have face cam. Guess a couple minutes are just gonna be me quitting and enjoying the games. Alright, whatever, screw it. Forgot what does what. Whatever, no. I'm just gonna play by myself. Cause I am the most manliest person ever. Actually, might play with that fellow. Why not? I'll go with intelligence. Why not? Alright. Hopefully I don't get a heart attack from this game. Really don't. I really do hope I don't. And here it starts. Oh my goodness. And I don't even know where right there it is. Yeah, it's dark outside. I have headphones on. Pretty good headphones on too. Yeah, you can lead. I'm good. Yeah, I'm not a natural born leader. Okay, I don't even. Oh, you press LT. Usually you turn off your flashlight to save batteries, but you know. Strobe lights. Nice skies. I wish that was actually in real life. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's one over there. Okay. Xbox sounded like a fax machine for a second. I don't know why. Alright, whatever. I'll lead. Okay, static. So it's like right around here, right? And it begins, fellows. It begins. Oh my goodness, it begins, and I'm alone, son of a... where is my friend? Friend! Help me! Heartbeats multiplying. And all I'm doing is spinning in circles. I don't like this. Ah! Oh my goodness, no, don't look that way. Why am I alone? It's dangerous to go alone. I know, where is this ass? Oh, there he is right there. I see you. No, it's not him. I hear footsteps. Yes, that's him. Oh my god. I thought I lost you. Almost gave me a heart attack. Alright, let's just... broken sign. Let's go broken sign this way. Alright, you gonna lead or am I gonna lead? Alright, I'll let you lead. You seem to know your stuff. Are you... No! Oh my god, he's making me lead. Oh, I can hear him on my right ear. I do not like this at all. I don't like you. No, don't look to the right. Don't look anywhere. Don't look opposite way of me. Don't do any of that stuff. No, don't run either. Anyone there? That's what I thought. I showed him what. No! I can hear him. It's like the predator before he kills somebody here. That weird sound. I don't even want to imitate it. I'm just gonna fail epically. Alright, just go this way. You gonna follow me or not? Alright, good. Don't want to have a series of heart attacks in one video. He's not even that aggressive. I'm getting scared already. Wait. Nope. Nope. Be gone. Be gone. No one likes you. This girl has sanity. I think he just stared at it and died. Like he literally just started staring at it and just died. Well, this video is already about dead. Wait, is he behind me or he... Oh, he's a ghost. This is not good, fellas. This is not good. Not good at all. No, not good at all. Oh. That gave me a mini heart attack too. He's gonna kill me right here. Watch this. No. No, don't. Please don't kill me, sir. No, I can hear you to my right ear. Don't kill me, sir. Please. Oh, there's a tape. I remember here. There's a tape. I'm not gonna complete this, but... Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. There's no tape over here? Shut up. I don't want to look at you. Spirit's still scaring me. He's just standing there. I don't like... No. Turn around. If I can't see him, he can't see me. I can hear him behind me. It's quite frightening. I don't want to turn around. If I turn around, I'm just gonna shat my pants right there. Oh, it's flickering. It's flickering. I don't like that. Stop flickering. Stop. Stop. Sir, I don't like you. Haven't you heard of being polite? Crap. I don't think that I'm gonna get killed. Oh. He's still there? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna get killed. Because he just stands there. He doesn't really kill you. Like if you look at him, he'll start killing you, or static, or what do you want to call it. He's gonna pop up and I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna die. Gonna die. Am I gonna die? Kinda don't want this video to stretch out, but I mean, you're just gonna hear me just make weird noises that are implicating that I'm being scared. Oh, just shut up. I do not want to go over here. I feel it that I'm just gonna hit this corner and he's just gonna take me to like hell or something. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, he almost killed me there. What a little butthead. I don't want to turn to my left. I don't want to turn to my left. No. This is why I don't play scary games. Why do people even watch scary movies like... Oh, the noise is coming this way. Nope, 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 nope. YOLO, right? Ah!